Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove the cloud icon from your app store in iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first step is just go to your app store. Now after you're on your app store, what you'll need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you've done that, you will see different options. What you'll need to do is go to apps. Now after you're on apps, just go to not on this iPhone right here, and there you will see all of the apps that you've uninstalled. Now all of the apps that you've uninstalled will have this cloud icon. So to remove this, what you'll need to do is just slide your app and tap on hide. Slide your app and tap on hide. So let us do that for some of the apps, and let's say we do this for DoorDash. After we hide this, if you search for DoorDash now, and if you search for it, you will see that there is no cloud icon anymore. So yeah, that is how you do it, guys. That is how you remove cloud icon on your app store. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.